Hello and welcome. Well, hopefully you heard that, but hello guys. Today, hold on a second. We are going to be getting us a new quarterback. Although we do have Tom Brady, he is a cheat code basically, and I don't like being like that. So, quarterback gold, and I've already scouted out a quarterback. I was about I just started recording. I just came in, and the quarterback I'm going to choose is a cheaper one. Just looking to see if there's anybody that I kind of want that's better than him. Let's see here. Yeah, nobody truly for what I want is better. But we're getting Scott. Let me see here. Go to Indianapolis. Make sure I'm getting the best price right there. He's got some speed and he's got the accuracy that I want. That's quarterback. Now for wide receiver, I'm gonna get a Colt. Okay, I'm not. 4,000. Let's see here. I need to get him a brother from the Colts. 5,000? Man, if there's not one for 5,000. Alright. Oh man, come here. He kind of sucks. Alright, bro. You're just gonna go without a brother from your team. But I'm excited about being able to do more now that I can finally go on the auction block. D'Anthony Thomas, he's my first pickup, wide receiver number 1. Then Alex Erickson, wide receiver number 2. And then let's see here. Yeah, Rashard Higgins. He's slow, but I like the jump, 78 jump, and 80 agility and 82 acceleration. There we go. On to tight end. I don't really know who I want to get here. There's Eric Tomlinson, him, Kari Lee, Nick Boyle, Daniel Brown. He is very much an option because he has some speed. I like fast tight ends. Call me weird, but I like fast tight ends. But truly, I want Seth the Valve if he'll pop up. Oh no! I'm getting him. There we go. That's tight end. On to fullback. Let's see here. He's got 70. He's got 77. 74. Wrong player. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get him. There we go. Now for halfback. This guy, he can be upgraded to become a beast, but I'm not going to do that. I'm not going to upgrade any of these players. They're going to stay at their stats that you're seeing now. Mike Davis. None of these guys are fast. I like fast running backs. I might have to put some money into this one. Alright, I'm going to put 10,000 into it. Ah, man. That's 1,000. 10,000. Save. Alrighty, let's go for 77 overall. He's still slow. Jacquizz Rodgers, no faster. Mike Glisky, he's on the Patriots now. Sad story. Ryan Matthews. Yep, there we go. Even though he's not fast at all, but I want Ryan Matthews. Let's see here, go to the Eagles. Didn't Ryan Matthews get cut? I think he got cut. Let's see here, 75. Let's see if I can get him for 4,000. $5,000. 6,500. Halfback. There we go. There we go. I think that's all the position. Nope. And guard, gold, reset that name, and 3,500. I'm gonna upgrade the whole line. I need 2 offensive guards, 2 offensive tackles, and then 1 center. Where's me a center? And there we go. Now the team is completely rebuilt on the offense side. Alrighty. This overall is about to jump very, very high. Bang. Bang. Wow. Fullback. And I forgot about Matt Forte. Screw him. Him and Jordan Matthews will alternate. And Scotty Watty. Offense, all gold. Defense. That's going to be next episode. But I did pull Chandler Jones in a pack. He's a beast. And that's about it for today. Excuse me. Next episode, we'll probably rebuild the defense. I'm going to have to get a lot more coins because I'm almost out. But till next time, guys, this has been Real Racer. I'm going to upgrade this player, and I'm out. No, I'm not going to upgrade him. I'm going to upgrade the quarterback. Y'all going to see this, and that'll be all. I'm going to, stat this guy. I want this guy to be really good. I like my quarterbacks to be good. But until next time, guys, this has been the one, the only, the Real Racer. Peace.